We have some new CAD renders of the OnePlus 7T Pro, and they show that they aren't very much different to what we currently have. It looks like your iPhones weren't safe from exploit hacks and could have been affected by going on the wrong website. And new reports claim that Samsung is finally ready to deliver the Samsung Galaxy Fold very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yep, it's Friday. But you guys are going to celebrate, not me. I've got work to do. Expect some reviews coming up very soon. This is Pocketnow Daily, brought to you by the Honor 20 series. The official news today begin yet again with deals. This time, obviously, Labor Day continues, and we've got some more stores offering other discounts. This time, let's talk about Walmart, which currently has some Labor Day deals for Google smart devices. The Google Home Mini is available for $29. The Smart Light Starter Kit is $35, and the Home Max is currently $269. And obviously, this is just one of many. We will continue covering more deals, but you can find these in the description. Now let's talk about the repairability of Apple products, which we know has always been a nightmare if you choose third parties, and obviously you lose your warranty and everything, or it's just extremely difficult even with the ones that are approved by Apple. The company is finally kicking off a new repair program that will let independent services use the same genuine tools, spare parts, training, and repair models as Apple employees. According to Apple's chief operating officer, they want customers to have confidence in their repairs, even going to third-party shops, by giving these the right training. The question is, what will we have, like an approved by Apple, or we don't have any specifics on that, but we'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about Sony. Yes, I know I still owe you the Xperia One review. That's coming very soon, but apparently we've already got an Xperia 2 coming, which is kind of the way Sony does things, even if their Xperia One is, what, 2 months old? There is a high possibility that we will see it at IFA next week. The device seems to have a 21:9 aspect ratio, again, triple cameras at the back, and it will look like the Note. We do know that Sony is testing 5G phones, but we don't know if this phone will be 5G capable, or at least not at the beginning. But it wouldn't make sense for it not to be if that's what everybody's doing, and Sony pretty much throws in the kitchen sink in every single phone they launch, even if they don't really get much traction. And speaking of IFA, it seems that that's not going to be the only product announced. Let's talk about Samsung, and for those of you wondering about the Galaxy Fold, it seems we finally get some stuff. We've got reports that claim that the device will initially be available in Korea and will roll out to the rest of the world later this month. We also hear that Samsung is working on a new Fold and is focusing on lowering the price tag, which could happen by lowering the storage options, and it depends on the form factor. Though lowering the storage options is kind of funny because I remember they had the same storage as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So the thing being, we'll see if we actually do get it at IFA. Apparently the event will be on September 6th. I'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about iPhones and a recent discovery by Google. According to Google Project Zero in a blog post, iPhone devices were susceptible to hacking for years. All you had to do was visit a malicious website and the exploit server would attack your device, and if it was successful, it would install a monitoring plant. These websites would exploit some undisclosed software flaws. The researchers found 12 different security flaws on iPhones running iOS 10 and above, and even if Apple fixed the issues within 6 days of being notified, I thought that Apple claimed that iPhones were safe and everything, so yeah, I guess they're not. And finally, the hottest news today have to do, finally, with the OnePlus 7T Pro. I mean, we've been covering what the OnePlus 7T will look like, but we didn't really know what to expect for the Pro variant if there was going to be any. As it stands, we have CAD renders for the OnePlus 7T Pro, which will be very much different to the 7T. First of all, it doesn't bring the circular camera array of the 7T. It's rumored to bring the same as what we currently have with the 7 Pro. The pop-up camera is back, and we see the orange accents of the McLaren edition. We also see a new haze blue color in addition. It will bring the same specs of the 7T, but with a 4080 mAh battery, and apparently faster warp charging. But let us know in the comments down below. I mean, why are we getting device design changes on the 7T and not on the 7 Pro? Do you like that? Or do you recommend that there be design changes? Because in my case, well, I'd rather get something different, but that would be me. Leave us a comment down below. I'd love to know your opinion. This episode of the Pocketnow Daily is brought to you by the Honor 20 series and its amazing 4-lens camera system, which includes a stunning night shot mode to see in the dark thanks to an AI algorithm and the world's widest f1.4 lens. You also get 48 megapixels in the sensor, a 3x optical zoom lens with up to 30x digital zoom, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Visit highhonor.com to learn more in the link in the description. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channels English and Spanish for more videos like this one. Also, follow us on social media as our extended coverage happens on Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.